A big airplane is on the runway, ready for takeoff. The passengers have already fastened their seatbelts. Musti and his mommy and daddy are also on board. Musti is sitting next to the window. He's so excited as he gazes outside. Suddenly, the airplane begins to move, slowly at first, and then faster. Musti sees the landscape flashing by. And then up the airplane soars. The houses and the trees below look very small now.
Look, Mommy! Everything down there looks like a toy!
Musti exclaims. And then the airplane disappears into the clouds. Musti can't see anything anymore, only the white mist of the clouds. How exciting! The airplane flies higher and higher until it's all the way above the clouds. Musti can't believe his eyes.
Look, Mommy and Daddy! Look how beautiful the clouds are in the sun!
Yes,
Nods Daddy.
down on the ground when it's cloudy, we can't see the sun, Musti. But up above the clouds, it's always sunny during the daytime.
Musti's so happy and excited. The clouds form all sorts of shapes. Like a yacht. Or a tree. And look, there's one that looks like Miss Tortoise.
Do you think Miss Tortoise can fly?
Hello, young man. Are you daydreaming? Says an unfamiliar voice. It's the stewardess in her uniform. What would you like to drink? A glass of milk, or would you like some fruit juice?
Fruit juice, please, ma'am.
Replies Musti a little shy. Here you are, one fruit juice. Here you go. This is for you, too. A coloring book and crayons.
Oh, thank you very much, ma'am.
Musti beams.
Look, Mommy, so many airplanes to color.
That's very nice, Musti. Musti gets to work immediately. When he looks outside again, all the clouds have disappeared. Below him now, he can see the ocean and boats and a big island with white beaches. Musti feels the airplane descending.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to land,
Says the voice of the pilot.
Where are we going to land, Daddy?
Asks Musti.
Down there, on that island, Musti. That's where we're taking our vacation.
Yippee! On the beach by the ocean!
Before Musti gets out, he's allowed to look in the cockpit. He's never seen so many switches and lights before.
Oh, it's wonderful!
The pilot waves to Musti and gives him a little airplane.
Here, now you can practice flying an airplane.
Thank you, Captain. I'll practice all the time.
Bye, Captain Musti.
And at the top of the stairs, Musti shouts,
Look, Mommy and Daddy! When I grow up, I'm going to be a pilot too!
Mommy, Daddy, and Musti are on vacation on a beautiful island. Today, they're going to spend the whole day on the beach. Daddy is reading a book, while Mommy is taking a nap under the umbrella. Musti has built a big sand castle.
Look, Daddy! My castle is ready! Isn't it amazing?
Very nice! You worked really hard. Do you want to go for a swim now?
Not now. Maybe later. First, I'm going to collect some shells to decorate my castle.
Okay, Musti. But don't go too far. And make sure you can always see that blue dolphin. That way you won't lose us.
Okay, Daddy. I'll make sure I can see it.
Off Musti goes. He's looking for the prettiest shells to decorate his sandcastle. There are lots of them, big and small, and in different colors. Musti chooses the prettiest. Every now and then, he stops and checks to see if he can still see the blue dolphin. Yep, there's Mommy and Daddy all the way over there. A little farther, Musti arrives at a stream. He can't cross it, so he walks along its bank and into the woods.
It's so pretty here.
Ah! Hello, little cat. Have you got any peanuts?
Hello? Who's that calling? Where are you?
Hello. Ah! Here I am. Hello, little cat.
Hello, bird. My name is Musti. What's your name?
I am Coco the parrot. Do you have any peanuts?
Peanuts? No, not me, but my mommy does.
So, where's your mommy who has those peanuts?
On the beach, over by the blue dolphin.
Ah! And where is that, Musti?
It's this way. Or no, maybe it's that way. Wait a minute. That way? Oh no, I don't really know anymore. Coco, I've gotten lost.
Wait a minute. I'll fly up above the trees and see if I can spot a blue dolphin.
Coco flies up high above the palm trees.
Yep, over there. I can see a blue dolphin. Come on, Musti. Follow me. I'll bring you back to your mommy. And of course, the peanuts. Ah! Come on, Musti. Just a little farther. We're almost there.
Look, over there.
Musti sighs with relief.
I can see the dolphin, and Mommy and Daddy too.
You can go the rest of the way on your own, Musti. I'm going back to the waterfall where it's cooler. Will you bring some peanuts with you next time, Musti?
I promise. A whole bag full. Thank you so much, Coco.
My pleasure, Musti. Bye. Ah!
See you later, Coco.
You've been gone a long time, Musti. Who is that strange bird?
That's my new friend, Coco the parrot. He knows the whole island. He brought me back here because I couldn't find the dolphin anymore.
Then Coco is a very kind parrot.
He sure is. I promised him some peanuts.
You can bring them later with Daddy. First, let's have our picnic.
All right.
I just love peanuts. Ah!
The whole family is on vacation at the beach. Musti's building a sandcastle.
Ah! All it needs now is a flag on top and your castle will be finished, Musti.
There you go, Coco. What do you think of that?
Ah! Nice work, Musti.
Yes, it's a fine castle, son. But look at this. How would you like to fly a nice kite? It's a beautiful day to fly a kite, isn't it?
Wow! That's an awesome kite, Daddy. Is it for us?
Yep, I just bought it.
If it can fly as good as me, then it's a really good kite, that's for sure.
Well, we'll find out soon. Let's give it a try. Come on. There's enough wind here, Musti. We'll fly the kite here.
Uh-huh.
You take the string and walk over to Coco. I'll stay here with the kite.
Ah!
Pull the string tighter, Musti.
Is this tight enough, Daddy?
Perfect. Get ready. Here it goes.
Yippee! All right! It flies really well.
Ah! I'm going to take a closer look. You're a good kite pilot, Musti. Hey! Watch out! Not so fast!
Sorry, Coco. That was the wind.
Give it more string, Musti. Let it fly higher.
Twirling and spinning, the kite climbs higher and higher.
That was good, huh, Daddy?
Very good, Musti. Can I try it now?
Uh-huh. Pull, Daddy! There you go!
I'm going to send it even higher, Musti! Oh no! The string ran out! There goes our kite!
Don't worry! I'll follow it!
Come on, Musti! Let's chase after it!
The wind carries the kite through the air. Coco tries to follow it. And then the kite drops down, right on top of a palm tree.
Oh, no! It's caught in that palm tree. We'll never be able to reach it up there.
I can get it! But my beak might damage it! Wait right here! I'll go get some help!
I wonder what Coco is going to come up with now.
Look! This is my friend Pedro! He can climb any tree!
It's nice to meet you, amigos of Coco. How can I help you today? Hello, Pedro. Our kite is stuck up in that palm tree.
Can you get it down for us, Mr. Pedro?
Well, I only climb trees if there are bananas in them. You know. I can only see coconuts here, and those are much too hard to eat. If you get our kite down, then we'll give you lots of bananas. How about that, Pedro? Fantastico! I'm already on my way.
Be careful, Pedro. Make sure that you don't tear our kite.
No problema. Here's your kite. Ready and catch.
Bravo, Pedro. Thank you.
Now, where are those bananas? Come along with us, Pedro.
A little while later, Pedro enjoys a tasty banana. Musti has some delicious ice cream. And Coco is very happy with his peanuts. A beautiful dolphin is swimming in one of the pools at the aquarium. The dolphin show has just begun. Musti is sitting in the front row with his friends Laura and Sam. They can hardly believe their eyes. The trainer holds a big hoop above the water and shouts,
"Come on, Dolly, jump through the hoop."
And then the dolphin leaps out of the water and jumps through the hoop gracefully.
Bravo!
Shouts the audience as they clap their hands.
For our next trick, I'll need a boy or girl from the audience to help me. Who would like to come up here? Any volunteers?
Go on, Musti. I just know you can do it.
Me! Pick me, sir! Then come over here, young man. A round of applause, please, for this brave young man. What's your name, young fellow?
My name's Musti, sir.
I'm Alfred. Come on, Dolly. Say hello to Musti.
Hello, Dolly. I'm Musti. Hello, Musti. Would you like to do some tricks? Sure, that would be great.
Look at this, Musti. There's a fish hanging at the end of this long stick. I want you to hold it above the water and shout, "Jump, Dolly!"
Jump, Dolly! Jump! Well done, Musti!
Good job, Dolly! Now give Dolly this tasty reward, Musti.
Here, Dolly. Here's a tasty fish for you. Thank you, Musti. Let's do another trick. Okay.
Musti, do you like to play ball?
Yes, sir, very much.
Here, catch. Dolly likes to play ball too. Throw the ball into the water and shout, Dolly, ball!
Dolly, ball! Dolly, ball! Catch it, Musti! Oh, I won!
Yes, she did. Dolly just loves to play ball. Here, Musti, put on this swimming vest. Ladies and gentlemen, my wonderful assistant Musti is now going to take a trip on the Dolly boat. Are you ready, Musti?
Uh-huh.
Then follow me. This is the Dolly boat. Would you like to get in, Musti?
Okay, sir.
Then in you go. Come on, Dolly. Push the boat.
And Dolly pushes the little boat forward.
Don't be scared, Musti. I'll push very gently. I'm not scared, Dolly. Not with you. You're the nicest dolphin in the whole world.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause, please, for Musti and Dolly.
Next time, I'm going to raise my hand,
Says Sam.
and then I'll go too.
Says Laura. Musti is very happy. He's never made such an amazing new friend as Dolly the dolphin. The circus is leaving Musti's town. When Bongo the chimp passes by Musti's house, he waves.
Bye-bye, Bongo. See you next year. I'm going to miss you.
I'll miss the circus too. A year is a really long time.
But we don't have to wait a year. We can create our own circus. Do you want to help, Sam?
Yeah, of course.
But how? We don't have any wild animals, and we don't have a funny chimp. Don't worry, it's going to be a great circus. Just you wait and see.
Later that day, Mr. Musti's circus has finally arrived in the garden. Mommy, Daddy, and Marie are waiting impatiently for the first show. Laura and Belle are sitting in the front row. There's Musti, the circus ringmaster.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Mr. Musti's circus. Let's give a big round of applause for our first act, the Native Americans. And now, this is very difficult on one leg.
Bravo, Mr. Rabbit. Well done.
Ladies and gentlemen, now here comes Sam and his fierce tiger. Hey, Sam, where's your tiger?
My tiger? Come on, tiger. Where are you?
Suddenly, Mr. Dog appears. He's painted like a tiger.
Here, tiger. Lie down.
Don't be scared, Belle. It's only a circus. Ladies and gentlemen, please keep very quiet. Here comes the great tiger leap.
All right. Jump, tiger. Come on. Jump. You can do it. Jump, tiger.
Oh, well done, Mr. Dog. That was amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't be scared. The tiger is now going to roar very loudly. Tiger, roar as loud as you can,
orders Sam. Everyone laughs at Mr. Dog's joke. Musti finds it funny too. Mr. Dog and Sam are now roaring with laughter.
Ladies and gentlemen, I also have a little surprise for each of you in my magic hat. Here we are, a delicious bone for Belle.
Oh, thank you, Musti.
Something sweet for Laura. Oh! And flowers for the mommies.
Thank you very much, Ringmaster Musti. Oh, thanks.
And later on, Daddy will get his hat back.
And then I'll conjure up a tasty treat for all the circus performers. Bravo for Mr. Musti's circus! Bravo!
Thank you, everyone, for your applause. And we hope to see you next year at Mr. Musti's circus.
Thank you. Thank you. In a meadow just outside the village, there's a big circus tent. Musti's excited and very curious. He and Daddy are going to take a closer look. The circus tent is beautifully decorated with colored flags. And around the tent, there are caravans and cages with animals.
Look, Musti! There are the elephants!
Oh, and look there, Daddy! There's the lion's cage.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. Have you come to visit our circus?
Yes, Ringmaster. I've come here with my son, Musti, to take a look around, if that's all right.
Sure, of course it's all right. Come with me. I'll give you the grand tour. This is where Olaf the elephant lives. Here, Olaf. Here's an apple.
His trunk is so funny.
Follow me. Let's take a look at the chimps. And here lives Bongo, our friendly chimp.
A chimp? What chimp? I don't see any chimp. The cage is empty.
What do you mean, empty? Goodness gracious! Bongo has escaped again! I can't believe this. He was just here. He couldn't have gone far.
Don't worry, Ringmaster. We'll help you look for Bongo.
Look, Daddy. There are peanuts on the ground. If we follow this trail of peanuts, maybe it'll take us to Bongo.
That's a very clever idea, Musti.
Well done, Musti. I didn't notice those peanuts at all. Come on, Musti. Let's follow the trail.
Okay.
Bongo seems to have been dropping peanuts everywhere he went.
The trail leads over there, Daddy. Come on.
That's strange, Musti. The trail seems to be leading to our house.
Oh, no. Daddy, I hope Mommy is all right.
It's true. Bongo's trail does seem to be leading to Musti's house.
He went behind the house. Come on, but be careful.
Okay.
I think Bongo climbed in through the kitchen window.
Hey, Daddy, look! That's really funny!
Is that your new friend, dear?
Sweetheart, Musti! Just after you two left, this chimp jumped in through the window. And I jumped too, with fright. But he's a very sweet chimp, and he's got very good manners.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hey, Bongo! What are you doing here? Don't you have to go back to the circus?
I got tired of eating peanuts. I wanted a delicious banana. Ow. But when I'm finished, I'll go back to the circus.
Mommy, can Bongo have another banana to eat on the way?
Yes, of course. Is this one okay, Bongo?
Thank you, ma'am. You're You're too kind.
That crazy chimp.
A little while later, Musti and Daddy take Bongo back to the circus.
I'm so happy Bongo is back home, safe and sound. As a reward, I'd like you to come to tonight's show free of charge.
Yippee! Did you hear that, Daddy?
Mommy will be so happy to see Bongo again.
And that's not all. Musti also gets a bag of peanuts from Bongo.
Thank you very much, Ringmaster.
Bongo prefers bananas.
This is the last stop. Everybody out. Huh? There's somebody at the door. I wonder who that could be.
Musti, you've got visitors.
Sam, Laura, have you come to play?
Yeah, with my new train. Look, Musti, I got it for my birthday.
Come on inside. I've got a surprise for you. Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, kids. Have fun playing.
Look, this is my surprise.
Wow, a train just like mine, only red. Look, mine is green.
That's a great surprise. Now we can make a really long track with 2 trains. Good idea, Laura. We can lay track all throughout the house.
Our friends immediately get to work. Laura lays tracks in the hall. Musti lays tracks in the kitchen.
There we go.
And Sam lays tracks in the living room.
I'm ready. Can we start now, everyone?
I'm ready too. The tunnel is finished.
Everything is ready in the kitchen. Start the train, Sam. Choo-choo. Off they go. The trains are on their way, Laura.
Okay. Hooray! They're through the tunnel.
Stop! The train has arrived.
End of the line for passengers to this station. Please exit. Everyone ready for the next trip?
The conductor is ready, Musti.
The tunnel is ready, Musti.
The cake is ready, Musti. Are you all going to come and have a piece?
Not yet, Mommy. We're playing right now.
Okay, start the train, Sam.
All right, there they go. Choo-choo! Go, train! Choo-choo! Through the tunnel!
Wait a minute, trains. I've got some special cargo for you. 1 piece, 2 pieces, and 3 pieces. Off you go again. Have a safe trip.
Where did the trains go? Did they fall off the tracks?
No, Musti, don't worry. Look, here they come.
All right, to the station, little train.
Bravo, little train.
Yippee! Look, Musti, the train is bringing us a delicious treat.
What a great cake. Thank you.
Thank you, Mommy. That was a really nice surprise.
A nice surprise for my conductors.
Here's a surprise for Mommy. Off you go, train, to the kitchen. Mommy, the train is bringing you a surprise.
Oh. Thank you, my kind little conductors. That was really sweet.
Good job, little train.